If you're a new salesperson or a realtor, so what I always say is, they always talk about, I got to learn. So like, for instance, real estate and insurance people, they want to know everything about the insurance game or the real estate game. I say no, you don't need to know anything except for one story. Look, you're learning from somebody. Have them just tell you a story, right? And then maybe a 30-second, 1-minute story. And then they say, but what if they say yes? Then you say, I don't know anymore. I just got started. But I do know the president of the company. I do know somebody that's been in the business for 20 years or whatever. I do know somebody that can answer those questions. Would you like me to set up an appointment so they can answer all your questions? See, they'll love that. That's not being authentic, right? They'll love that. Oh, yeah, okay. So you set it up, you go in, you listen. You say, can I be a fly on the wall so I can learn? Yeah, absolutely. Okay, so you go in, you shut up, you don't say anything, you listen. Hey, you're learning, right? Okay? But you'll find out that there's not a lot of questions that people ask. It's really the same thing, 2 or 3 questions most of the time, and it's over, right? And this person that's your mentor is probably saying and telling the same story every time. And if you're buying lunch or you got a Zoom meeting or whatever, you're going to be like, dude, I can do this. And so you start doing it on your own, and then somebody asks you a question you can't answer. I don't know the answer to that, but I do know somebody that does. See? But at the time, you can still be spending your time learning, right? Okay, but most of the time, 90% of it, be a bird dog. Go out and just look for customers.